गुड मॉर्निंग क्लास, कैसे हो आप? आई नो ऑल आर वेल. यस, वी आर ऑन थर्ड चैप्टर. व्हाट इज थर्ड चैप्टर? वर्किंग विथ टेबल ऑन MS Word. अभी तक वी आर वर्किंग ऑन MS Word and we are making tables. We are entering the data into the table. After that we learned how to delete, how to insert a column or row from a table. Now the next topic is formatting a table. Formatting means what do you mean by formatting? Formatting means designing a table. अभी तक जो कि हमने सिंपल टेबल बनाया है, बट वी कैन डिज़ाइन द टेबल. टू डिज़ाइन द टेबल हमारे पास बहुत सारे इनबिल्ट फॉर्मेट हैं, जो कि MS Word में पहले से ही इनबिल्ट फॉर्मेट्स हैं. वो फॉर्मेट्स यूज़ करके वी कैन डिज़ाइन आ टेबल. ओके, टू डिज़ाइन द टेबल वी हैव टू गो टू टेबल टूल्स. उसके बाद डिज़ाइन टैब में से अगर हम देखेंगे अंडर द बिलो द डिज़ाइन टैब देयर आर मैनी डिज़ाइंस. फ्रॉम दोज डिज़ाइन वी कैन सेलेक्ट द डिज़ाइन फॉर आवर टेबल. नाउ वी विल लर्न how we can design a table. See, we are on table tools. We can see here table tool. Below this table tool there is a tab, design tab. Just go to design tab. I have clicked on design tab. I can see many designs for a table. Okay, I can select any design. For select our table, going to select the table. Okay, then select the design. I'm going to select this one. Okay, now this, any design we can select. See, we can design our table. Any color we can give. In this way we can design our table. Okay, now the next is changing column width. How we can change the width of the column. Changing column width. To change the column width there are two methods. One is using tools which are given in Microsoft Word, or second is using mouse pointer. We can change our column width. By using tool, what we need to do, first click on layout tab. Layout tab पर क्लिक करने के बाद we will see a tab properties. उसके बाद properties में we have to set table properties. Table property में we can set rows as well as column property. We will see how we can change the rows property or column property to change the width of a row or column. Okay. First, see our table. This is our table. Name column we can see. I'm going to change the width of the name column. Okay. To change the width of this column, पहले हम column को select करेंगे. I'm going to select the column. Okay. उसके बाद we will go to layout tab. We will go to layout tab. I'm just going to click it on layout tab पे क्लिक करने के बाद we can see properties here. Here it is, properties we can see here. Just click on it. Okay. When we will click on properties button, we will find this box. This box we will find. Okay. In this box we can see here table, row, column, cell, all text. We have to adjust the column width. Go to column. Okay, here preferred width is equal to 1.44 centimeter. We can change the width. I'm going to increase the width. I have changed it 4.4 centimeter. Now I'm just going to click it on click OK. I have clicked OK. Now you can change. You can see the column name width has been changed here. Okay, we have increased the width of this column name. Now the next topic is splitting cells. Splitting means dividing. We have to divide the cell into separate cells. Okay. How we will divide the cell? To divide the cell, first click on Layout tab. After clicking on this Layout tab, below the Layout tab, we will find this Split Cell option. First, select the cell which we want to split. Then select the split cells. A dialog box will appear. एक dialog box आएगा जिसमें we have to mention कि एक सेल को हमें कितने पार्ट्स में ब्रेक करना है या कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. Suppose one cell को we have to divide into 2 parts, तो we have to mention 2. If we want to divide the cell into 3 parts, then we have to mention 3. This type of dialog box will appear. We will see now on MS Word how we will split the cells. First, see this table. In this table, we have the second column, class. I want to split this cell, this class cells, into 2 parts. I want to mention class and section अलग अलग. Okay, मेरे को class अलग देना है, section अलग देना है इस cell के अंदर. तो I want this cell to be divided into 2 parts. What we need to do, first we have to select this cell. I am going to select this cell. See, I have selected the cell. After selecting the cell which we have to divide into 2 parts, just go to this option, split cells. Okay, just click on this. This dialog box will appear. What this dialog box is asking to us, number of columns. We have to mention number of columns. It is already mentioned here 2. Number of rows 1. Okay, I am just going to click OK. Now we can see this column, this cell has been divided into 2 parts. We can mention section here easily. Okay, in this way we can split the cell. Next topic is merging cells. Data is split in numerous segments of a cell and you want to combine it in a single cell. Merging means combining. अगर हम 2 cells को combine करना चाहते हैं, then we use merging cells option. Same procedure, just go to Layout tab. Below the Layout tab, we will find Merge Cells option. Just click on it and the cell will get merged. We will see how. See this table again. अभी हमने इस cell को split किया था in 2 parts. Again the same thing. We are going to merge these 2 cells. अगर हमें इन्हें merge करना है तो first select these 2 cells. See, I am going to select these 2 cells. Okay, I have selected. Now see this option, merge cells. I am going to click on merge cells. Okay. Now see the table again. The cell जो भी हमने split किया हुआ था वो वापस से वो cell into 1 merge हो गई है. वो 2 cells वापस से merge हो गए हैं into 1 cell. This is the way we can split or merge the cells. Now the next topic, if you see in your book, the topic is applying borders and shading. ठीक है, ये टॉपिक आप बुक में से खुद पढ़ेंगे कि what is this topic. I am just going to make you learn only the practical thing कि हम कैसे border और shading change कर सकते हैं टेबल का. Okay, for that purpose what we need to do, we have to select the table first. Okay, we will see how we are going to perform the change in border and shading of a table. See, I have selected the whole table. After selecting the table, go to the design tab. Go to the design tab. Design tab में जाने के बाद we will see on right hand side below this design tab 2 options are there, shading and borders. Okay, just go to this border option. This dialog box will appear. हम जब border पे click करेंगे तो ये वाला dialog box appear होगा. In this dialog box we can see style. Here we can see style. different type of lines are there: dotted line, solid line, line in light color, in gray color. We can select any line for our table. Okay. Next is color. Color is automatic here, means black color, but we can change the color of our table. Suppose line is black, line is solid only. I am going to select solid line only. Color I am going to change from black to green. Okay. Now we can see, I am going to click OK. Color of the table has been changed from black to green. In this picture we can see the color is not clear, so we are going to change the width of the line so that color can be clear. See, I am changing the width of the line so that color can be visible to us. I am just going to make it 3 point. Just going to press OK. Now we can see the table. Yes, the table का color change हो चुका है into green color. In this way we can apply borders to our table. Now from your book, read that topic properly. In next class we are going to do the remaining topic like converting text to a table, inserting picture in a table, and how to perform calculation in a table. Till now just see the videos properly, revise the chapter and prepare for your September test. Okay.